What's up, guys? Back with another trade recap. Today, took another losing trade. Sucks, but I learned some stuff. So, going into this week, I was originally just wanted to look at price and see if we wanted to build structure for Tuesday, but possibly we could come back into this range and then have a move up. What we ended up seeing was we took this high around in the morning time, took this high, and then had this displacement move down. We started displacing around 8, and then came back to this 5-minute, and this is market open, and we kind of dumped down to where I want to see us dump down to. There wasn't really any manipulation here, so I wasn't very fond of taking this at all, so I'm fine with it. Then I marked out this low right here and I think this one. I didn't think we were going to come back to this one, but on ES we actually did, and then put an SMT. You can zoom forward now. And now here I'm thinking we need to wait for structure, because you always had to wait for at least 5-minute structure, 15-minute if you want to see a move after these big moves down. So we come back to the 4-hour, take this, put in the SMT, and this 5-minute change of the state gets put in right here. You can see it's marked out. And we kind of sit here for a second. We reject it at first. I didn't want to take this because we hadn't manipulated internal yet, so I wanted to see that. And then we come down, manipulate internal on ES, tap consequent encroachment of the wick on this candle, and then I'm pretty sure we reject it again. We kind of sit here, slowly making it up. That's not what I want to see. I want to see good, nice displacement through it before I want to enter. So then we get this move up, then this move down. Right after, I believe we close up above this. And I want to see either nice displacement through it or close above the change in the state, the 5-minute. And we come down for a final time, and then move back up, and this in the 5-minute is where I think this looks really good, and so I enter long here. Sorry. And yeah, that's just kind of my thought process going into this. I don't know if we closed above this. We didn't close above it, but this is kind of what I want to see. This is nice displacement, this high, clear draw, rejection of a higher time frame, imbalance, and manipulation with SMT. So this is kind of what I want to take, but we end up coming all the way back down and getting stopped. Now, the reason this probably didn't play out is because we didn't have internal manipulation on the 5-minute. So you can see after we close above the change in the state, we actually come all the way back down, manipulate internally, and hold on, let me see if we put an SMT. Sorry. Didn't put an SMT, but still we still had this SMT playing, but we then internal manipulation, boom. This is where we actually rejected, and then changing the state, strong displacement, and then this actually ends up playing out. But I think what the big lesson of today is that internal manipulation is needed in a buy or sell model. This internal manipulation, you can see it, find a spot that we rejected, right here, right there, right here. We always manipulate internally, either on the 5 minute, and if you do it on the 1 minute, it might not be high quality, so you want to always think about that. I could have been a little bit more patient. Also, I think that's kind of a thing with patience. I'm okay with it though. It was a good trade, and I'm not really mad about myself with it. I'm just happy to keep moving. And yeah, I'm just excited to hopefully start gaining consistency again. These past 2 months have not been great for me trading. I'm just going to be fully transparent. Not great. So I'm excited to just improve my edge and grow as a trader and just keep putting out content because I love it. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.